Hello my beloved viewers, welcome back to my channel on a new video of conditional formatting series that is currently running into my channel. Friends, in this video we are going to learn how to use the conditional formatting that is based on a value that is on another cell, right? To learn about this formula briefly, watch this video till the end, and after the video ends, please check the description box. There you will find the link of the data file which I am using in this video, and please have a look into my channel playlist. There you will find some useful series playlists that will help you to learn Excel easily. So let's come to the point. We are going to learn about the conditional formatting. The first rule of conditional formatting, you have to select your whole database that you are going to apply conditional formatting into. Here I have a simple database where I am going to show you highlighting the cell with conditional formatting. So I have selected this whole database where I am going to apply the conditional formatting. After that, go to Home tab, then in the Style block you will find the conditional formatting, and when you click on this you will get some options. Friend, just know one thing, you can have endless options with conditional formatting. Here when we are going to use the highlight cell rules, and when you move your cursor into the highlight cell rules you will get more options here, and you can custom your own rules from in the more rules option. So we are using at first the greater than. Then you will have this dialog box open in front of your Excel worksheet. You have to just simply click on here, then you have to select your source data cell reference number. So I am clicking on this directly, and this one has been locked into absolute reference, right? Then you can have these options as well as your requirement. If you select light red fill with dark red text, you will have this type of highlighting. If you select yellow fill with dark yellow text, you will have this type of, or if you do not like this one, you can custom your own formats, right? Then simply click on OK, and whenever you input any type of value here, your cell will be highlighted according to your rules. But note carefully, here you have selected the greater than option, so which of the data in this database have values that are greater than 5, only that are highlighted. If you want to use the greater than and equals to function, you will have to go the new rule, or you can go to highlight cell rules, then more rules. You have to at first clear the rules from entire sheet, then you can change your rules from here. Then we are using the greater than or equals to. Go to this tab, you will have this dialog box open, then click on format only cells that contain, then click on cell value, select from this option greater than or equal to, then click on this and select your source cell reference number. You can have your own format, custom formatting from this tab. You will get this dialog box where you can customize as your requirement. You can use the pattern color, pattern style, anything you want, right? Then click on OK, then click on OK. Look at here which of the cells in this database that contains greater than and equal value of this included value in the J6 cell, that will be only highlighted. So let's check how this formula actually works. Excel contains many built-in presets for highlighting values with conditional formatting, including a preset to highlight cells that are greater than or equals to a specific value. However, by using your own formula, you have more flexibility and control. In this example, a conditional formatting rule is set up to highlight cell in this cell range, then when they are greater than or equals to a value included into J6 cell. The rule is applied to the entire range of this database, and the value in J6 can be changed anytime by the user. When a new value is entered, the highlighting is immediately updated. The formula uses the greater than or equal to operator to evaluate each cell in the range against the value in J6. The reference to C5 is relative and changes as the formula is evaluated for each cell in the cell range. The reference to cell J6 is locked as absolute reference. When a value in the range is greater than or equals to this value you have included, the formula returns true and the rule has been triggered.